must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be you and me. Ooh, you're like the sun, chasing all of the rain away. When you come around, you bring brighter days. You're the perfect one for me, and you forever will be, and I will love you so for always.
Come with me, my sweet. Let's go make a family, and they will bring us joy for always.
Oh boy, I love you so. I can't find enough ways to let you know, but you can be sure I'm yours.
Iingatan kita ng higit pa sa pag-iingat ng isang kayamanan, dahil ikaw ang masigit pa sa isang kayamanan na aking makakasama sa araw-araw habang buhay. Kung muli man tayo isilang at muling mabuhay sa mundong ito, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko, walang opsyon. Ngayong araw na ito, ikinukumit ko ang sarili ko, buhay at kaluluwa na makasama ka magpakailanman. I love you so much, Gladys.
To love you forever and share these memories in my whole life with you. In sickness and health, in good times and bad times, in sadness and happiness. Promise to love you till the end, until my last breath, and to be a good wife and a mother for our children. I'm very thankful to God to come in my life as my one and only friends in my life. And in my heart, I love you forever